Welcome to our roundup of the best camping stoves available right now. Whether you're planning a weekend in the mountains, a beachside cookout, or a long overland adventure, a reliable stove is the heart of every campsite. We've carefully selected the top models that combine power, portability, and durability, so you can enjoy perfectly cooked meals no matter where your adventures take you. We'll cover each stove's key highlights, including fuel efficiency, heat control, design, and overall performance, helping you find the ideal match for your next outdoor escape. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals and prices. Now, let's get cooking. The first on the list is the STL-01 Outdoor Portable 3-Head Stove. This powerhouse is built for campers who need serious heat and multi-pot cooking capability. Featuring 3 adjustable burners, it allows you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously, saving time and effort at camp. With a combined output of over 25,000 British thermal units, it delivers strong, consistent heat even in windy or cold conditions. Each burner has independent control, so you can simmer soup on one side while searing meat on another. Durability is another key highlight. The stainless steel body resists rust and withstands rough outdoor use. Its wind-resistant flame design ensures stable heating in open environments, while the foldable legs and detachable burners make packing and transport easy. This stove also supports various cookware sizes, making it versatile for solo campers or large groups. Overall, the STL-01 is perfect for those who want restaurant-level cooking performance right at their campsite. Next up is the Wide-Sea Camping Cooking System. Designed for hikers and backpackers, this ultra-efficient system combines a compact design with powerful heating performance. Its integrated burner and pot setup ensures rapid boiling, allowing you to heat water or cook meals in just minutes. The heat exchange base maximizes fuel efficiency, reducing gas consumption and making it ideal for extended trips. Built with hard anodized aluminum, it's both lightweight and durable, capable of withstanding years of rugged outdoor use. The secure locking lid and built-in igniter add convenience, while the folding handle ensures easy storage. This system also pairs perfectly with widely available fuel canisters, so finding replacements on the trail is easy. The flame control is smooth, allowing you to switch between rapid boiling and gentle simmering with precision. Overall, the Wide-Sea Cooking System is a must-have for backpackers who value speed, simplicity, and efficiency on the go. Next, we have the Camping Moon XD 2F Adjustable Gas Stove. Built for serious outdoor chefs, this model offers precise flame adjustment, allowing perfect control over cooking temperature. Its stainless steel frame is incredibly sturdy, supporting heavy pots and pans without wobbling, while the brass burner head ensures long-lasting performance and corrosion resistance. What sets this stove apart is its low center of gravity design, which provides excellent stability on uneven terrain. The wide base prevents tipping, even when cooking large meals. The XD2F also features foldable arms and legs for compact storage, making it easy to pack into your camping gear. With an impressive heat output and fast ignition system, it performs reliably in various weather conditions. Overall, the Camping Moon XD2F is ideal for campers who prioritize control, durability, and a professional cooking experience outdoors. Next on our list is the D3500W Gas Stove Windproof Outdoor Gas Burner. Compact yet incredibly powerful, this stove is perfect for those who need efficient cooking power in a small package. Delivering up to 3,500 watts of output, it can boil a liter of water in just over 2 minutes. The windproof flame design significantly improves efficiency, maintaining strong heat even in challenging weather. Built from high-grade aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it's durable, lightweight, and resistant to corrosion. The foldable support arms create a stable base for various pot sizes, and the built-in ignition system makes starting the flame effortless, no lighter required. One of the standout features is the fuel-saving burner head, which spreads heat evenly, ensuring your meals cook consistently without hot spots. Overall, the D3500W is a top pick for campers who want high heat output, wind resistance, and portability in one efficient design. The last one on our list is the Tarka 3-Heads Gas Stove. This stove is a powerhouse designed for family camping or outdoor gatherings where multiple dishes need to be cooked at once. Its 3 high-efficiency burners deliver consistent flames with exceptional heat distribution, ensuring you can grill, boil, or fry simultaneously without losing performance. Constructed from heavy-duty stainless steel, it resists rust and wear even after prolonged outdoor use. The adjustable flame control knobs let you fine-tune the heat level for each burner, giving you precise control over your cooking. Despite its size, it remains portable thanks to its detachable legs and folding design. The wind-blocking side panels protect the flame during breezy conditions, ensuring efficient fuel use. It connects easily to standard gas cylinders and includes a secure safety valve to prevent leaks. Overall, the Tarka 3 Heads gas stove is an excellent choice for campers who want the capability to cook full meals outdoors with ease, safety, and superior performance. So that wraps up our list of the best camping stoves for your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description below for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!